वांट द बेस्ट, चाहे वो टर्म्स हो स्टडीज़ के मामले में या फिर हो वो करियर के मामले में, तो फिर घर के टाइम पर आखिर हम कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ क्यों करें? वेल, आज मैं आपको एक प्रीमियम जगह पर लेके आई हूँ, दैट इज़ प्रीमियम सेक्टर मोहाली 88। तो यहाँ पर मैं आपको लाई हूँ एक बहुत ही आलीशान, बहुत ही खूबसूरत वन इन क्लास अपार्ट अतुल्यम दिखाने के लिए। सो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ उपासना और आज मैं आपको डिफेंस रियल्टर्स के ग्रुप की तरफ से लेके आई हूँ अतुल्यम में। अतुल्यम जो नाम में ही अतुल्य है, वन इन अ क्लास अपार्ट। तो चलिए चलकर देखते हैं आखिर ये आलीशान वन इन क्लास अपार्ट अपार्टमेंट आखिर दिखता कैसा है। So ladies and gentlemen, now we are at the 7-star Atulyam apartment, and as you can see, this lobby looks absolutely like a 5-star hotel, doesn't it? At my left hand side you can see that we have the reception, and at the right hand side you can see that we have the waiting lobby, and the full on ceiling to floor height is 36 feet. That's right, this is a 3-heighted lobby. It gives an elegant and an ambiguous feel just to suit your luxurious and elegant needs. So let's check out how does this absolutely amazing and lavish apartment looks like. Come on, let's go. अतुल्यम एक ऐसा शब्द जिसकी किसी से भी तुलना नहीं की जा सकती। That's exactly what अतुल्यम is. तो अतुल्यम की बात हम कर रहे थे, तो अब हम आ गए हैं अपने फर्स्ट फ्लोर में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हर एक अपार्टमेंट फर्स्ट फ्लोर से स्टार्ट होता है। And on every floor you get 3 lifts, where 2 of them are passenger and 1 of them is a service lift. And right here, as you can see, on both my ends there are apartment openings, and we have 2 apartments per floor. So let's go in and check it out. एक 7-star लग्जरी होटल की फील आपको इस प्रॉपर्टी के बिगिनिंग से ही मिलने लग जाएगी। और जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं, हमारी एंट्री पे ही एक सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम है जो कि 5-way ऑपरेटिंग है। 5-way operating in the sense anywhere in the world you are sitting, you will get the comfort of operating this security system. Isn't that amazing? Let's go check out. There are more features. The grandeur feeling of this apartment begins right with the entrance. As you can see, the Italian flooring that has extended from the lobby up to all of the common areas in this apartment. The floor to ceiling height is up to 12 feet, and it gives you an immense living space right for you and your loved ones. Home is where the heart is, and as you can see, we are at the entrance, and here is where all the arteries of the heart belong. This is the central nervous system, the key to all of the electrical fittings in the house. And on my left hand side you can see a powder room, and this powder room is immaculately designed and specifically with all of the Italian floorings right here, and top on the notch in the market bathroom fittings. And as we move a little bit ahead, here we have is the storehouse, where you can keep all of the nitty-gritty right here placed, nicely packed. So let's go ahead and check out the common space. So here we have is the common living space, and as you can see, this common living space is absolutely grand and can seat up to more than 10 people at one point of time. So as we walk through and come up to this automation panel, let me tell you what it does. This automation panel can do wonders with your house. It can dim the lights, switch off the lights, switch on the lights, control your air conditioning system. That is the 5th generation Mitsubishi VRF air conditioning system that is both hot and cold for both the seasons. And what it can really do that excites me the most is here. That's what it does. So as you can see, isn't that amazing? But that's not all, because the flooring, as you can see, is an exhibit of fine hand craftsmanship right here. As you can see, this elevates the entire look of this house. But this is not just a house, this is a home. And here is where you can have all of those warm parties to make your house a home. So as we walk on to the kitchen is here where all the magic happens. And this is the grand kitchen that we have been talking about. and this is what we are going to explain to you properly, because this has so many features that you wouldn't be able to count it on your fingertips. The developers of this project have put in a lot of thought in building this kitchen. These kitchens are built by Magpie and are the top of the notch market right here in this project. So as you can see, all of these kitchens have intelligent fittings, right from the drawers to the cabinets to the pantry, and this is a fully loaded kitchen with all of the appliances fitted just for your needs. This kitchen is fitted right here with the dry area, and outside you will find your wet area, which is loaded with a dishwasher as well. Everything that you see in this kitchen is totally customizable as per your needs and your tastes. And look at this breakfast counter. Imagine a Sunday brunch with your beautiful family feasting their Sunday brunch right here. Won't that look amazing? Think of it. A movie night, or is it a Netflix show? Or is it to catch up with your 9 p.m. prime time? Here, this is the place with your family common room right here, beautifully and elegantly placed in this apartment. This spacious family lounge can seat all of your family members right here in this place. And as you can see on my left, there we have crafted a beautiful reading space just for you. So this was about the common living space. Let us now enter into the private arena. This is the first bedroom of this beautiful project, and here also we have is an attached running balcony along with a walk-in closet, and also you can see here the flooring is absolutely an engineered wood and the ceilings are false ceilings. And over here we can see is the walk-in closet with the attached bathroom, which is a fully loaded bathroom fitted with Artie's designer collection from Jaguar. And now we are headed towards our second bedroom that will also act as a guest bedroom, because this has an added feature. That is, it is located right in front of the entrance and is not going to hamper your privacy. And here we have is the attached bathroom that is fitted with Artie's collection from Jaguar. This is a designer collection and makes your bathroom absolutely elegant with its Spartan class design. And not just that, this attached washroom is also fitted with sensor lightings. But these sensor lightings are not just here, but in all of the other attached washrooms and also the entrance of this house. Along with that, it is also in the cupboards. This guest bedroom also has an attached balcony, and this balcony is beautiful, wide, and allows ventilation for all of your bedrooms. This guest bedroom also has an attached inbuilt wardrobe, and that is going to house all of your storage requirements for your guests. Let's head on to the master bedroom, the grand master bedroom that is the highlight of this project. So this is the master bedroom that is so hyped up about this property. And this master bedroom has cassettes in it as an air conditioning system, whereas in the common room area we have placed ducts. And apart from that, we have is engineered wood that absolutely elevate the look of this room and complements the pure style and elegance. Apart from this, we have attached balconies with all of the bedrooms of this house. And we have here is the walk-in closet. And this walk-in closet looks absolutely beautiful and elegant, but you can also get it customized as according to your own needs and style. Grand master bedroom we have is an attached bathroom, and this bathroom is fitted with masterclass Artie's designer collection from Jaguar, and all of it is a fully loaded washroom. Every apartment here is pool facing and green facing, and guess what? There are no extra PLC charges for the same. This is the lowest density project in Punjab and Haryana, where 41 apartments are built in 1 acre. आपने ये अल्ट्रा लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट तो देख ही लिया, लेकिन इस अपार्टमेंट में मैंने जितने भी फीचर्स आपको बताए हैं उसके अलावा भी और भी बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं जो मैं आपको अब बताने वाली हूँ। ये एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि प्लैटिनम प्री सर्टिफाइड रेटेड है IGBC के द्वारा। अगर साइजिंग की बात करूँ तो ये जो पूरा अपार्टमेंट है ये आपको 3800 स्क्वायर फीट में मिल जाता है, बट ये जो 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स है इनकी शुरुआत होती है 3400 स्क्वायर फीट से, विच गोज अप टू 7000 स्क्वायर फीट फॉर 5 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स। तो लॉबी में बात कर रही थी एक 7 स्टार होटल की फील के बारे में। तो 7 स्टार होटल की फील तो ये पूरा का पूरा अपार्टमेंट प्रॉपर्ली जस्टिफाई करता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाते हैं हीट पंप्स, यानी कि इस पूरे अपार्टमेंट में आपको गीजर्स नहीं मिलेंगे, आपको मिलेंगे हीट पंप्स जो कि आपका पानी को 24/7 रनिंग एंड हॉट रखता है। पूरे ट्राई सिटी में ये एक ऐसा रेसिडेंशियल प्रोजेक्ट है जहाँ पर फिनेस्टा ब्रांड, जो कि एक टॉप क्लास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ब्रांड है फॉर डोर्स एंड विंडोज, इस प्रोजेक्ट के सारे एक्सटर्नल डोर्स एंड विंडोज फिनेस्टा ब्रांड के हैं, जो कि आपको आपके घर को देता है हीट प्रोटेक्शन बाहर से, यानी कि अंदर की हीट बाहर नहीं जाती और बाहर की हीट अंदर नहीं आती। साथ ही में यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाता है नॉइज़ रिडक्शन। इस पूरे घर की जो इलेक्ट्रिकल फिटिंग्स है वो वायर्ड ऑटोमेशन से है, यानी कि अगर आपके इंटरनेट चला भी जाता है इसके बावजूद भी आपका घर रुकेगा नहीं, आप अपने ऐप से फिर भी पूरा का पूरा घर कंट्रोल कर पाएंगे। और साथ ही में इसके अलावा इस घर में जो भी कुछ आपको दिख रहा है आप उससे अपने हिसाब से टेलर मेक कर सकते हैं, यानी कि अपने टेस्ट, अपने स्टाइल के अकॉर्डिंग आप इस घर को बनाइए, इस घर में रहिए, मेक इट योर होम। फीचर्स बहुत सारे हैं और वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, इसलिए इस वीडियो को यहीं पर कट शॉर्ट करते हैं। दिए गए नंबर पर फटाफट से कॉल कीजिए और इस घर का एक विजिट लीजिए, क्योंकि लग्जरी इज बेस्ट फेल्ट और लग्जरी को आप फील ही करें तो ज़्यादा सही लगेगा। इसलिए फटाफट से दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल करें, हमारे एक्सपर्ट कंसल्टेंट से बात करें और जल्दी से इस घर को विजिट करें। अगर आपको भी वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट करना ना भूलें और साथ ही में हमारे चैनल डिफेंस रियल्टर्स ग्रुप को सब्सक्राइब करना भी ना भूलें, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही ढेर सारे वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। मैं आपकी होस्ट उपासना और आप देख रहे हैं डिफेंस रियल्टर चैनल।